I'm back! Hey everyone, it's me, Andrea Feczko, and I am back in Los Angeles, which means I am back on YouTube! Woo! 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 Thank you guys so much for still being around, because I know I have been a bad YouTuber, bad Andrea. No. I just wanted to let you guys know what I've been doing, why I have been posting regularly or at all, and then also tell you all the new things that are coming and my new schedule, which is going to be a lot. But first, I really owe you guys an explanation. Yeah. Where have I been? What have I been doing? Good problem, I got my dream job. Yeah. I actually got to host a travel show. I'm Andrea Feczko, and I'm setting sail to travel the world. Vacation Creation, watch it on ABC Saturday mornings. And you can also watch it on demand anytime you want on Ocean View. Little plug. I'm really proud of it, and actually the reason why I got this job is because of you guys and because of this channel. The problem was that I really didn't have the bandwidth to post on social media regularly, both figuratively and literally. Figuratively, I was just tired. I actually kind of had to stop shooting because I just feel so shitty. It's only a 22-minute episode, but it actually takes like 5 16-hour days to actually create, and you're in the weather and memorizing. It's really exhausting. And then sometimes I literally didn't have the bandwidth. Sometimes I couldn't even send an iMessage over Wi-Fi. Instagram story is unusable. And this is why I haven't been posting anything. Because like when you're in the middle of the ocean, yeah, you know what? That's not gonna be the best internet in the entire world. Oops. That's the bad news. The good news is that while I was filming the TV show, I was always filming for this channel. Much to some anger, a little bit of smirks. Sometimes people would actually call me out and be like, yo. Okay, I think they're yelling for me to go. Okay, I gotta go. Now that I'm back here for good and I'm just sticking in this seat, which is in my kitchen. This is my editing area. Super duper fancy, don't be jealous. I will be having a proper schedule. Whoa, getting organized. Marie Kondo, this is going to spark joy in my life and hopefully your life. I'm really excited to be back. So every Thursday at 9 a.m. Pacific, noon Eastern, I will be posting a proper edited video. 4 different kind of styles that I'm gonna be playing with. The travel tips, which you guys know, the guides, which I know that you guys also know, and then also playing with travel style concepts, so more of like the hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, what to pack. That was something that I really learned while I was on the road, because even though you're hosting a TV show, you expect like a J-Lo glam squad. No, I did all my own hair and makeup. So guys, welcome to Hair and Makeup here at Vacation Creation. I'm just putting some product in my hair. I'm just putting, just checking for powder, looking good. Yep, in a straight corner. So I had to learn a lot, and I did, and I think I did a pretty good job, so I wanna give you guys that information. And then vlogs, like proper vlogs. And then every Travel Tuesday, I believe at 4 p.m. Pacific, 7 p.m. Eastern, I'll be doing a live chat. Travel Tuesday live chat. There I'm gonna have topics of discussion, and then also when I answer your questions, and especially like if you have things going on right now and you want travel tips now, and since I'm a slow editor, I can actually give those to you instead of waiting like years for me to finally edit the video. So please let me know what you guys wanna see. Is there something that you saw on my Instagram that like, oh, I wanna see the video of that? Please let me know in the comments below. Also, you can take a look at all these that I have planned. So I'm gonna go back to editing now because I'm the world's slowest editor. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. I should really just be an interior designer, I think. I mean, gosh. And just like the coordination I did with the different Post-it notes, like how they're different colors. It doesn't mean anything in these different colors. It just is, was what I had.